Cheers YouTube, Simply Stout or Simply Export Stout. I'll show you a little bit what I've done, not a lot, and we'll come back and sample it, shall we? Cheers. I'm going to do my quest for the best. I'm going to start with stout. So I'm going to use Simply Export Stout, a 1.8 kilogram kit. I'm going to brew it short, I'm going to 20 litres. I'll do quite a few of them. Try to take the variables out, so for every kit I'm going to use a kilogram of table sugar. I'm going to change the yeast to the Cross My Loof Ale yeast, and we're going to dry hop with 25 grams of Goldings. So that's for all of them. So budget kits, kit in kilo. So we get on. So this will be the first one of the lots, and I'm not going to show you mixing ingredients. You've seen it all before, haven't you? So I'll just brew it to 20 litres, dry up after about 5 to 7 days, and we'll get an OG first, and we'll get an FG so we get on. But I'm looking forward to this series because I still think some really nice kits out there, even not expensive ones, but yeah, we'll give it a go and so get results. That's a Simply Stout, the Export Stout. I'm going for 1.045 original gravity at 20C. Let's give it a pour. Oh, nice hiss. A bit of can smoke. Non-nucleated glass, let's see how it holds. Half a teaspoon of table sugar, just to get a bit of carbonation. So it's quite an aggressive pour, that, so it needs as much as that. So it smells nice, that. Right, what they did, just trying to get a decent budget kit. Try my stouts first, my quest for the best. So I'm just doing a normal kit, budget kit, no fancy ingredients. So I've got a kilogram of table sugar in there, a teaspoon of yeast nutrient, and as I showed you the Cross My Loof Ale yeast. So we'll use the same yeast for all the beers. I dry hopped it. I said 25 grams, but I actually use 50 Goldings hops. We'll do that same for every single one. So an OG of 1.045. So in the sample it looked, I've put dark brown. You look up to the light there, it's like almost like a red hue, not pitch black. Some hops coming through there. So an OG of 1.045 as I just said. FG, where are we? 1.008, and what you find with the budget kits, if you use just table sugar, it does ferment down a little bit lower, 1.008. If you use malt extract, something like that, you put 10, 12 or something like that. So we've got 4.8%. Let's give it a go. Cheers. Hops coming through there, and just a bit of malt as well. But it's in the taste, isn't it? Cheers. Ooh, quite fruity that. Must be them hops coming through. As well as the aroma, you've also got some taste on the hops, haven't you? All in all, it's not a bad little drink, that. Very licoricey, almost a little bit acrid almost. Not unpleasantly, but just that little bit bitterness on the dark malts. But upload that, and I'll so next one I've got fermented at the moment. That's the Cooper's Irish Stout. Same again, kit in kilo, 20 litres, and we'll see how we go from there. So look out for that one, and any suggestions of a basic kit for stout, let me know, and I'll try to get hold of it and do the same. So I should give that out of 10. First one, so it's difficult, isn't it? None of that 7.5. I'll give that 8 out of 10. Cheers, and have a great week, fellas.